how to check who viewed your Instagram profile on iPhone or Android. So if you want to check who viewed your Instagram profile on your iPhone or Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Once you're on your 3 horizontal lines, now you just need simply scroll down and you will find an option of Insights, which is right here. Once you tap on Insights, you will have all of the information right here. So here is where you're going to see the number of people that are interacting with your content. To check how many people have visited your profile, you're going to select Views option here, which is on the first under the Insights. You need to tap on the Views, and this is going to show you the number of views that your profile has been getting in the last 30 days. You can also change this right here at the top. You will have the date. You can go with last 30 days, or you'll have the drop down right here. You go with the drop down and then select last 14 days or previous month or last 90 days. You can change up to the number of days. You can also see how people are reaching your profile. So in this, you will have the followers and non-followers, and also by content type, which is here the post, and that's it. You cannot see who is viewing your profile on Instagram. That's a feature that is only available on TikTok before you reach 10,000 followers. Only way to check who is visiting or seeing your profile would be to check the people that are viewing your Instagram stories. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.